I've got dry skin everywhere. And I think I'm coming down with what my kid said. Because I can't get my temperature down. I'll take paracetamol all day and I can't get my temperature down. But, on another note...
This way. That's funny thing is. Actually.
Yeah. We've had a few showers on and off, and I've got work today. Luckily though, it's in like a shed, it's on a farm, so hopefully the shed's been...
Let me tell them something.
Can you get off my seat, please? Get away, get away. I'll be back in a minute because I won't be to talk with these here.
Don't tell.
So yeah, as you've seen, we've got a chance for thunderstorms and stuff like that. And that was between 6 on Saturday, the 26th, 23:59, and where are we to? And as you see, we're the 26th today, so that is for today. Yes, I've always got literally this much up on both screens. So I'll take the camera with me to work. It's only like 17 minutes away. It's not very far at all. Just in case we do get like a little show, and then try and catch them, because we don't often get good thunderstorms here. And when we do, I'm either not here or I'm asleep. So see what happens today. Look, the sun's really back out again now. I don't know. Well guys, just got back from a booking and yeah, absolutely nothing there. It's sunny. I know, right? It's really stuffy though, so we do need a good thunderstorm. So hopefully I'll be able to get you one. So guys, no thunderstorm yet. Nothing. And I got to go pick Castle up. I got to leave in about 15 minutes. All we've got at the moment is a bit of rain. But I can't say the ground doesn't need it. Yeah, I mean, look at all the cracks. Can't say it doesn't need it. And a water butt could do with a little bit more water. And my plants, something has been digging them up. Yeah, so yeah, I don't know. Apparently Lou, at the moment, I think it was Lou, has got thunderstorms, and that's about 2 hours away from us. Panels could do with a wipe off as well. There's the rain. Rain, you go guys, please, because the rain's going to come in now. Go away. Go. Go away. Oh, what was that? I need to trim these trees as well, because I don't get the sun now in the mornings on the panel up there because it's all getting blocked and stuff. But it'll help protect the back of the shed. That's a bonus. Camera's getting soaked. I don't know if it'll be much. It's been miserable looking like this most of the day, but it's so warm. It's so warm. This door is becoming a nightmare. But yeah, I'll take the camera with me again, just in case some... I'm just wondering if this is water just on my lens here, or on my lens here or on my screen. I think it's just on the screen. I'll take the camera with me just in case, because you never know, it may give us a little show. I hope, anyway. It'd be pretty awesome if it does. Thought I had some thunder then, but I'm probably just hearing that because I want to hear it. I don't know if you can see this, but look at the size of these drops. Oh my god. They're huge. They are unbelievably huge. I can't show you how big it really is. Good seeing it in person. It's calming down now. We were in for this, yeah. Oh my god! It's really coming down now. Getting some water now. Ah, typical. Come back and it stops. Oh, it's a nice drop there though. Let's have a look. Get a load of that, guys. Wow. Yeah, alright. Right, be back in a sec. Camera's soaked. You've got to love. They're only quid over Costco's in the zone. Bargain.
Did we get the other skull off?
Guys, I don't know how it can miss us.
Well, I was on the dock, but
We are here.
they're on side of us now.
Exeter's here. That's moving over to us. That's all the fresh lightning strikes.
Someone's turning us, I think.
I don't know how it can miss us.
Sails are coming around. Come on. Sails are in
That's
there.
got to be hitting us soon. I heard some thunder. I think. I think I still hear it rumbling. Yep, I do. Soph! Don't freak out! It's thundering. How did I do that? Oh, it's gone now. There he is. Oh, it's gone. There's nothing to see.
It's in my heart out now. I'm going to go in my bedroom. I can't sleep.
Okay. I would best that guys. That thunder hasn't stopped. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's non-stop. I haven't heard it like that in absolutely years. I don't know if you can hear that. I can't say because it's starting to stop now. Uh oh, don't want to get your screen covered. There we go. Hopefully you heard that. It's brighter over this way. Hopefully we get something. Panel's still minging. Wow, I haven't heard thunder go on and on and on like that in a long while. Jesus. Right, so yeah, as I was trying to say here guys, I want to try and make it covered up for sitting down there, and then we do a bit for their bridge and whatever. Oh, I'm going to go outside again. It's raining. Typical. Where there's thunder, there's rain. There's thunders on top, I can't believe it. Let me sit up and travel, guys. I'm not going to sit up yet, guys, because I haven't seen a thing. I was gonna, but I haven't seen a single thing, so... Yeah, baby. Come on. You haven't had a decent one in a long while. Show me some lightning, please. Come on. Yeah, these trees leaf up like really pretty, especially that one. I mean, these all do, really. That's just a nightmare to keep trimming like higher up, especially that one there, that one back there, because it goes way back in the bushes. So, and these are a nightmare. How am I meant to get there with the shed there? Come on. Here's a fact for you. Is that? I thought something on my eyeball. Here's something for you. Did you know lightning can strike? Lightning can strike up to 10 miles away in clear sky from a thunderstorm. Did you know that? Yeah, they can. A thunderstorm can strike, a lightning strike, sorry, can strike from a thunderstorm 10 miles away. So this could be a thunderstorm here, and in Exeter, I don't know, if it's wherever it's 10 miles away, between here and 10 miles, if it's blue skies at the other end, you can see lightning. I've watched documentary and stuff like that, and these people that were close together, one person got struck and split over to the rest of them, and it was clear sky. I bet you didn't know that. Kind of boring you guys, isn't it? Might go sit up there, because the best thing you can do is sit underneath trees, right, when it's thundering. They are brave. Oh, what do they do? Oh, bad camera. What's wrong with you? They got no news. Come on, give me something. Alright guys, I guess I'll be back in a minute. Oh, they're so brave, these birds. Rather them than me, let's put it that way. I'll be back, guys. Oh guys, it's starting to get heavy now, and I heard the thunder pick up a fair bit. Get soaked. And it's still light at the end of the tunnel. Definitely Ethernet cable. Oh my god. Oh, I've got a drip on you. No, not again. Guys, this is what I've got to go to. I apologise. Hold on. Well, definitely getting a drink now. Why are we getting no lightning? Ah! I'm done from there, guys. Wow. Wow. Guys, I'm not kidding you. I don't know if this will show it to you. It really won't. Let me do this with light. That, no, it won't. It's that lightning. Yes, it's that dark out here. If you didn't have your lights on, you'd get pulled over. But of course, the camera won't show that. So I've seen one flash for the first time. Yeah, it's that dark out here right now, which sucks that the camera doesn't pick it up. You would literally get pulled over for not having your lights on. And what's the time? It's coming up to 8:15. It's ridiculous. This is the darker end, and this is the lighter end. Don't know if that shows you how dark it really is. It probably doesn't. Well, was that it? One pathetic flash. I'm hearing thunder still. Yeah, I don't know if it's still dry. Oh, another flash and I just blame missed it. Don't know if it's still dry over there or not. Still need to finish off yet. I don't know if I should build a top bit over there for that. Let me know what you guys think. Thunderstorm coming from over there now. The clearest area. Yeah, it's so dark. This is coming from France. This is all coming from France, so it's that dark out here, which it isn't normally. My camera's gone into night vision. That's how dark it is out here. Oh my god, that scared the crap out of me. Oh wow. Right, try and get this. I don't know why people are scared of thunder. Oh my god, I can feel that shaking my flat. Because the thunder doesn't hurt you. That actually scared the living crap out of me.
Did you see it well or not?
That last flash scared the crap out of me. I wish this rain would start off. Need to get a GoPro. Oh my god. I can't go outside. I'm gonna get soaked. Wow. Oh my god, it's shaking the door. I finished shaking the door. Else, go stay in the hallway. So Mummy doesn't like it, but yet she's got the front door open. I don't know. Else, go sit in the hallway. Oh, go away, rain, please. Oh no, I'm missing it all. Whoa, this rain! Jack, in please. Whoa, this rain is crazy. Clean the panels off. Every time. Every time. Let me try and get them a bit lower. Oh my god, I'm getting soaked here. Let me try going around front. Out of the way please, Ellie. You just said you're scared of it and now you stand by the front door.
Behind our building over there.
I haven't seen rain like this in a while. They're going to flood over there, so I wonder what they're going to do.
Let's get the car.
Oh, come on, you beats. A bit more, please.
Don't go again now. Oh, they're not over me. Let move. Jack away, Jack now.
He's fine. Eddie's the one freaking out. Jack wants to go outside.
Oh.
This is right above us again, isn't it? This is what happened last time, it was right above us, and I didn't want to go outside because we're going to get wet.
Like thunder, like no flash, sounds like fire. Piggies are out. Where? So we're going to know thunder before the next round.
Doesn't always necessarily mean there's
Oh, I
thunder.
don't like thunder because if thunder comes, it gives you loads of rain. And then it doesn't always rain when it's thundering.
It has the last 2 times that I wanted to do it.
Well, okay, if you listen to it really closely about anyone talking, you'll hear it really loud. Because when I done that before when I was a baby, I could hear it and I was screaming.
Kirsty's still got nothing over there.
It started down Cornwall way, so she'll get it in a minute.
No, it was coming over sideways over all of us.
I saw flash! Saw flash! What in my video?
Oh, sorry. Wait, you live, you?
No. I saw flash! I saw flash!
These lightning strikes are right above us and it's really pissing me off.
More flash! More flash!
Can the camera video it?
Flash! Now flash!
Cars around the wrong way.
Flash! Jack! Shall I go and get Jack? Jack, do you want to come watch the thunder and lightning?
Just check he's not outside. Well, I was going to check. And I'm all blurry. Let me focus on something. Oh, give over. Give over. The 1 minute I focus on something and it happens that.
Come on, watch it. Whoa, careful mate, you're alright. The floor's got a bit wet, it's fine. We can dry it in a minute.
Well, this is definitely the best thunderstorm we've had since living here.
Don't go outside. Don't go outside. Jack, don't stick your arm out the door. That's not. Oh!
Jack, can you get off the bed? Off.
There's super thunder! Thunder! Thunder!
Huh?
There's a thunder too. Come out, thunder. Show your stuff.
Yeah, she's
we'll
fucking
show our
crazy.
stuff better.
I swear that's all they do. This camera doesn't zoom out
I
enough.
just heard it. I just heard it 2 times.
2 times, eh?
Yeah.
This is literally above us, isn't it?
Hey,
It's really starting to get my head in. Wow, we've seen how fast the clouds are moving.
Oh, yeah. Thunder.
No, try to right to touch. Jack, get off me, please.
Careful, because the floor's going to be slippy.
This is awesome, but it's so dark out here.
Oh.
It's so dark out here.
It's super fast.
Jack, in you go, please. Go on to the front. I'm getting nothing. It's right above us, as per usual. Sorry guys, I'm gonna have to keep wiping you off. Don't tell me that was it. Look how the water's been splashing up on them, look. Sorry, this is a boring video, guys. I was expecting to be a bit better myself. See, where's that coming from? I'm asking you guys and you won't be able to tell me until afterwards. If you knew. Oh, and it starts to rain a bit harder again. So back in I go. So looking like it's starting to brighten up again now. What is wrong with me? I really wish I caught some strikes on camera. That would have been good. Apparently not. Well, not yet anyway. The rain is literally coming in this far. Where are these strikes coming from? Oh my god, man, I can't do anything. I'd like it to be dry so I can go outside and film this. The wind's picking up a bit. Jesus Christ, I should just not talk today. I'm literally going to have to go now because the rain's coming in and hitting my bed. Actually, it's getting my pillows soaked. Fantastic. So, back onto the front we go, I'm afraid. I'm sorry, guys. What are you doing?
They're going thunder.
The rain's coming in that much, it's coming to the bed because I'm watching here.
That's okay.
Out of the way, guys, out of the way.
Not to bother the frog, not to die the frog. It's fine, the thunder's moved now, it's fine. I want to watch back through this video at like 5 minutes though.
Why? Oh, if I seriously just missed that again. Why?
Yeah, go to the right side.
I'm pretty much to the right side. Hey, you're scared of it. Why are you out here?
I don't mind.
You're inside, are you? Not by much, though.
Yeah, I'm trying to explain to Ellie that she'd be safe in the car if it got hit by lightning.
Yeah, the safest place you can be is in the car. No, safest place you can be is in the car. And it's starting to rain too hard again.
You're in thunder.
No, you are kind of safe in the house, but if you're in a house, you're in a flat.
Get in the house. Thunder does. Stay in the house or you get hit by lightning.
Why are you in one of the back?
It's fairly short, it can have, like, it looks like come quite far down.
Thunder,
If you get that, I want it. Send it over to me.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Ellie, just turn my phone.
5, 6. I saw it! I saw thunder!
You didn't see it, mate. You heard it. No, you heard it.
Yeah, I saw it!
Why are you asking for help?
I saw it!
There you go. Lightning. Lightning. Whoa! Do you see that?
No, that's just the flicker from your phone not being able to cope with the light, bright light. Do you know, like when you take a picture of the sun and it leaves a mark? That's literally that. That's what it is.
The clouds are moving fast. So that's why it's going to spray rain everywhere. Hey, get us out of. There's thunder and that black
Stop raining again. Out of the way, please. Out of the way, Jack, please. Uh-oh. Someone's going to be in trouble. Well, I'm going to be in if this don't focus. It's looking really dark over there. I can't get hit by thunder. It's impossible.
Daddy, you might get hit by lightning. Then you'll die.
Thanks, Els.
Yeah, she's going, you'll get hit by thunder. I'll let you know it's the sudden lightning on the one.
Let's try going over here then. Wish me luck, guys. Oh my god, look how fast the clouds are moving. I've seen them move faster, but Jesus, that. Where's this happened to? Oh, mud coming from somewhere. No, it's just in the sky. There's not actually happening anywhere. Oh my god! Look how fast they're moving. It's really dark over here. This is super cool though. Not seeing much though, which is a bit disappointing. Is that seriously on the other side? Is that seriously over there now? I'm super annoyed if it is. Oh, it's just everywhere. I mean, that is proper evil. Camera won't pick that up though. This here, this is pretty. This is not. Just go have a look down here then. There's damn things in the way, look. Just smacked me in the face. It's just constant rumbling at the moment, that's all we're getting. Oh, please rain, hold off, hold off. I think it's missed us. Blood's sakes. It always misses us. Or if it hits us, it's just for a few seconds. Right, okay.
I thought this now. All of us stay here together.
You can see stay clear of them.
I thought this now.
I think I've seen a little bit there. But of course I wasn't filming. Because, you know, why would I be?
Get inside, please.
Go on. Put your heart and soul into that. This thunder, I've never heard it so constant before in my life. I wish it would stop raining. Ooh, that was a big one. It's cleared up over there. It's moving away from us. It's going. Look how clear it is of that. Unbelievable. Huh? Oh no, will I? Wait, what are you paying for? I think it's moving away from us. It's over there now.
But what will still fit? Is he moved to another thing?
Do you know where I wish to be now? Up on the new build, up in the industrial estate up there. You get a good, just up the next, not the next left, but up the where they build the new buildings. Basically their pet shop place. That'll be a perfect place for you, unless you get to see everything, don't you? Wow, lightning strike like everywhere right now. It's dotted all over the place. This is amazing. Have you noticed though, it hasn't cooled down? It hasn't cooled down. Well, normally after thunderstorm it's quite chilly, isn't it? But, you know, it's not. Nothing over there, Tom. Nothing whatsoever. It's all over here now. Well, sorry it's not much, guys. I'm disappointed just as much as you. We'll have a little lightning show, I suppose. Yeah. Oh wow. The one ball lightning I see is right above me. Yes. I'm here. Here. Hopefully it's picking all these up. Well guys, I'm not going to bore you with the rest, it's just flashing. Seeing no lightning strikes, so maybe if it comes back again and see more, I'll video it. That was unbelievable. Well, CCTV won't catch it because it's not facing the sky. That was a huge flash though, wasn't it? Yeah, it's gone really crappy again now.
I knew that it was that way because when I looked out the window, when I looked out the bedroom window, it's like someone was protecting in the window. Do that, Daddy!
Nah, it's not going to do it again now, is it? Wish this rain would sod off. I thought it was my computer that flashed around then. And apparently there was another one, and I just missed it again. But now that rain's gone, I can come out here. Well, the rain hasn't gone, but yeah, the flash was humongous. I thought it was my my computer. And I looked at safe, and I was like, was that my computer? And she said no, that was outside. Oh, back inside I go. Here comes the rain. Come on. Need some more.
His lip is bleeding.
Is he alright?
He's bleeding.
Okay, I'll come in now. So guys, it's getting quite late now. We've still got it coming on. Don't know if you can hear that. It's over here. I keep seeing flashes on my CCTV and stuff like that, and I think it's just that it's flickering, but as you just seen then, it's not. But it's still It's still ridiculously warm out here. Like ridiculously. And normally after a thunderstorm it's cold. It's like 20 past 9 now, I think it is, at night. And the thunder and lightning continues. But obviously not as constant as it was. I wonder if this camera can pick it up, the infrared on my CCTV camera. You see how red it is? That's the infrared, right? How amazing is that? Right, well I'm going to go back in, guys. I'm not going to bore you with this. Not much is going on, so yeah, hopefully get some more later on. Yeah, of course you can. You get ones that come on when you walk past them as well. Yeah. No, it's fine. Well guys, it's actually come back. And we're getting a ton of lightning again.
Look at my feet.
Yeah, it's getting me soaked as well, dude.
Yeah. I got sick.
It's not gonna do it now, is it?
Hey.
Of course it won't. Why would it?
Hey. It's a sit on me.
Hopefully you'll see it better now it's darker. What's the time here?
I don't see it.
It's 10 to 10 at night.
I gotta see something right here. Hey, let's see Papa. What? Up there! They safe! Can I be safe up there? Can I be safe up there? Can I be safe up there?
I've just seen another flash, so hopefully we'll get some on camera. Since the rain's come down, you can see wind's picking up a little bit anyway. Even though I can't feel a breeze, but yeah, that's still going. I prefer it being dark, to be honest. Yeah, better picture, if that makes sense. I'm going pretty good. Oh, I see where it is. In go, mate. In. It's over there. It's there, dude. Oh my god, I missed that. It's just going to take me forever to edit. Come on, focus. Turd.
To sit on the floor.
Alright guys, that's going to be it. It's the next day. And apparently we maybe are due more thunderstorms, so I'm going to get this sorted. It's going to take me a long time with that computer, as you know. And I'm still having to use that monitor for that TV because it's 40 quid for a brand new film. So, sorry it's not much. But it's the best thunderstorm I've had so far. A bit annoyed that I couldn't find any lightning strikes, but you know, I may have caught some by surprise. I don't know, I haven't seen it. So thanks again for watching, and I'll be seeing you maybe sometime today, later on maybe, tomorrow, even though you won't be. So thanks again.